Let's walk through how to set up InstaSchedule inside your QuoteIQ account so your customers can book their own jobs. Start by going to Settings and then scroll down to Self-Service and click on Self-Schedule Setup. First, go through and select the services you want to allow customers to self-schedule for. These will need to be services that already have InstaQuote set up, or else they won't be able to schedule. Next, at the top, you'll see a toggle that says Enable Self-Schedule for all estimates. If this isn't turned on, customers won't be able to book through InstaSchedule, so make sure that's enabled. Once completed, hit Save Services. After saving, you'll see all of your active self-schedule services listed below. If you see a red warning that says Optional Setup for Price Matrix by pressing Configure button, that means you still need to configure pricing in InstaQuote for that service. Otherwise, InstaSchedule won't work for it. Now let's set up the duration of each job. Hit the Configure button next to a service, and then choose how long that job usually takes. Then click Save. Once you've set durations for each service, click on the Setup Time Availability. This is where you set when you or your employees are available for customer bookings. You'll see a list of users on your account and hit the pencil icon next to the person you want to set a schedule for. And here's where we build your availability. At the top, you can assign a calendar color, select a time zone, and set a buffer time between jobs if you want space in between appointments. Then scroll down to your time availability schedule. You'll see each day of the week listed, and to make yourself available, check the box for that day, then tap the plus icon to add time slots. For example, on Monday, I could do 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. to 6 p.m., which blocks off 12 to 1 for lunch. You can add as many slots as you need. If a job or event is already scheduled on your calendar, that time will automatically be blocked off so customers can't double book. When you're done building your availability, click Save Changes. Now go back to the top and press Live Preview, and this shows exactly what your customers will see when they accept a quote and click Schedule Now. And remember, InstaSchedule only works with InstaQuote. That's where the quote is accepted and the scheduling link appears. And once they hit Schedule Now, they'll choose from your available days and time slots based on everything you set. And that's how to fully set up InstaSchedule and QuoteIQ so you can start letting customers schedule jobs themselves without any back and forth. For more information about QuoteIQ, go to myquoteiq.com.